SMTP email, error 534. How to resolve, solved, Warmy blog. SMTP email error. 534 often arises when users enter incorrect or outdated credentials such as usernames, passwords, or security tokens. Security measures like two-factor authentication or app-specific passwords from email clients or servers can also trigger SMTP email error 534. Misconfiguration of SMTP servers, including incorrect SSL TLS certificates, SMTP port settings, or blacklisted IP addresses, can lead to authentication denials and error 534. Overly strict firewall settings or aggressive antivirus programs might block SMTP communications, which is another potential cause of error 534. An unstable or inconsistent internet connection can disrupt the communication between email clients and SMTP servers, leading to error 534. To fix SMTP email error 534 in Gmail, Outlook, and Yahoo, specific adjustments to authentication settings and configurations are necessary. Utilizing email warm-up services like Warmy.io can boost email performance and reliability, especially for those heavily reliant on email marketing or bulk communications. Warmy.io improves email performance by gradually increasing sending volume, preventing SMTP errors, enhancing deliverability, and avoiding spam filters. It monitors blacklists for email health and provides SPF and DMARC record generators for authentication. Comprehensive reporting offers valuable insights for optimizing email strategies. Before you move on, remember to tap that like button and subscribe for exclusive access to our upcoming releases.